Ah! No, it's not gonna work. Hey, what's up? Today, I need to deal with this thing. A while back, I let someone store some stuff in my pole barn, and when they picked up their stuff, they didn't take this jet ski hole. So now I gotta deal with it. And I can't just put it out to the trash, so here's what I'm gonna try. I got my sawzall, an extra battery, a couple wood blades and a metal blade because I don't know if there's some metal embedded in there or not. A couple hammers, a little sucker and a big sucker, pry bar in case I get the blade stuck, gloves of course, and bug spray because the mosquitoes are out. So let me drag that sucker out and we'll get started. Here's a quick shot to show you what I'm dealing with. It's just an empty hole, no parts, nothing of value, nada. I tried to give it away, no one wants it, so it's just trash. It needs to be dealt with. Bug spray, gloves, sawzall, action! I don't want to start. Guts like butter. Nope, still doesn't work. Well, that's not too bad. I got it cut into 3 sections pretty quick. Of course, these pieces are still too big to put out to the curb, so let's get back to cutting. Well, that went faster than expected. I worked up a little bit of a sweat, but I got it done. Cut it up into 6 manageable size pieces. And put one out to the trash each week. So in a month and a half, the sucker will be gone. Each piece weighs about, maybe 20-30 pounds. I don't know, just guessing. The rear was the hardest part. Right here was thick and there's some hardware, so I had to steer around that. But otherwise, the rest wasn't too bad. Except that piece. I think I'm going to cut it off right there. We'll make 7 pieces. Let's do that real quick. By the way, I just used the wood blade. Worked great. Cut like butter. No problem. Bam! Oh, and before I forget, I did kill the first battery pretty fast. CC's dead. And I imagine this one's not too far behind. 2 bars, but I think it would have gone pretty fast. So, that's how you get rid of a unwanted fiberglass jet ski hull. 2 batteries, 1 sawzall, 1 wood blade. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Peace out. Ah! Ah! Ah!